buffalo blue cheese goodness. Check out these buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. This whole plate, under 600 calories, 74 grams of protein. In a bowl, you're going to mix up 6 ounces of chopped chicken breast, diced red onion, diced tomato, both a quarter cup, and a tablespoon of your favorite low-calorie buffalo sauce. I use Frank's Red Hot. Transfer it to a personal size baking dish, add 2 ounces of blue cheese, then bake at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that's cooking, get yourself together 80 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt and a few lettuce wraps. Then you're good to go. Add a little Greek yogurt and some buffalo mix to each lettuce wrap, roll it up, and enjoy. Take a screenshot here for the ingredients so you can make this later on.